Alright, here we are. Power torque, 12 volt, 3/8 lithium ratchet wrench. Compact 3/8 inch ratcheting wrench, fit into very tight spaces. No load speed of 230 RPMs. Ratchet has 22 foot-pounds of max torque, built-in battery indicator. And I think I read somewhere on the side of the box, yeah, can be manually used to 100 foot-pounds of torque by hand. So, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And these are at O'Reilly's. It comes in this nice little carrying case. Pretty cool. Yeah. The part number is PTT0002. If you guys are interested in getting one of these. So what's in the owner's manual? The ratchet. And it looks like a charger. I have a plug right there. So we're going to see how that works on the battery. First off, battery indicator right here on top. Then you have your forward reverse switch, the trigger, and the battery. This thing, just by pushing that button, so we see the battery, it's bright red, dim green, dim yellow, so this battery's probably almost dead. To remove the battery, obviously you squeeze here and squeeze the other side and remove it. So the battery is very light, very light. Obviously it's got a green light and a red light on top, and I do like that right there where it fits into that channel, so it only goes in one way. Another thing I like, that's where you plug it in to charge it. That's pretty cool. Let's plug it in. And we got a red light, so it's charging. Supposedly this takes an hour at quick charge, but the tool right around in this area right here, it's kind of heavy. It wants to go forward. Back here, and the battery is very, very light. It's very sturdy though. Jesus. I'll do one better than that. Let's see how sturdy it is. Oh, let's go grab the battery first. And then while we have the battery, we'll see if it'll bust something loose. Any damage? No, nothing broke off. Shove this battery back in here. Oh, there, still works. I have here 17 mil. Oh wow, that's even with a dead battery. Now let's see how it will reverse. And that is not a charged battery at all. This thing's got some torque on it. Even I like it. And I just dropped it off the second floor. That's not bad. I would recommend you guys get one of these. I'm gonna put this thing through the ringer, man. I got plenty of places I can use this thing. Okay, now that the battery's in it, that's the socket moving on there. Now it's with the battery in it, it's pretty well balanced. But I like the battery indicator on top instead of it being on the side where you have to where your thumb's in the way. It's got good grip on it too. I do like this. This is nice. Oh yeah, this is definitely going into the to use drawer. If you want, I'll leave a link to O'Reilly Auto Parts website with the part number PT0002. It is well worth $79.99. You watch me just drop it off the second floor onto a concrete floor and it didn't even break. Awesome. Appreciate it. Love you guys. See you on the next one.